Hello, friends. Here we are again with a new series of maths presented by E-Maths class, Fatima Convent High School, myself, Dipali. With this session, we are going to start with the first chapter, Real Numbers of Class 10. We are all familiar with the numbers. We have been using and playing with numbers since our childhood. The numbers, what we are going to study in this chapter, are same, but we are going to study in a different manner. Let us see what are we going to study in this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study about real numbers, Euclid's division algorithm, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, to prove the irrationality of many numbers, the decimal expansion of rational numbers. To understand the first part, real numbers, we need to revisit certain concepts which we have already studied in our lower classes. Let us see what is that. We are going to understand classification of numbers. What are these numbers classified into? The classification of number is done into five major groups. Natural numbers, natural numbers are group of counting numbers which we generally use in our daily life for counting innumerable things around us. They are 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinite. The second group is whole numbers which is represented by W, and when 0 is included into natural numbers, it forms the set of whole numbers. The third group is integers. When negative numbers are added to the above two groups, they become integers represented by Z. They are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Rational numbers. They are represented by Q, and they are all the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q can never be equal to 0. This set of number has numbers like -3 upon 1, -1 upon 3, -2 upon 1, -1 upon 2, -1, 0, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 3, 3 till infinity. The biggest set is real numbers represented by R. They contain all the other sets of numbers along with irrational numbers. They are from infinity to -3, -2, -1 by 2, minus under root 2, -1, 0, 1, under root 2, 1, 2, 3, under root 3 till infinity. That is the largest group of numbers. So, if we try to put this in the set notation form, then n is the subset of W, is the subset of Z, is the subset of Q, is the subset of R. Or if you try to understand, then the natural numbers are in the group of whole numbers. They are in the group of rational numbers, sorry, integers. They are in the group of rational numbers, and they are in the group of real numbers. So, this is how we can group these numbers. Now, let us understand few more ways of classifying numbers. The second major type of classifying the numbers is odd numbers and even numbers. Now, we all know that the numbers which can be paired are called as even numbers, or which are multiples of 2 are called as even numbers. That is, 2 into n numbers are even numbers. They are 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 till infinity. It could be any numbers, negative, positive, any numbers from -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 till infinite. Same way, odd numbers which do not form pairs are called as odd numbers, or they can be represented by 2n plus 1. They are like -3, -1, 1, 3 till infinity. So, this is another way of classifying numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. One more way of classifying numbers is prime numbers and composite numbers. Now, what are these prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers which have only two factors. They are 1 and number itself. And composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors. They are called as composite numbers. If we take examples of prime numbers, they are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. And composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 38, 95, etc. These are all called composite numbers. One more classification is coprimes and twin primes. The coprimes are numbers which has only one as a common factor between them. Example, say 2 and 3, 11 and 12. If you try to understand the HCF or highest common factor between these two numbers is 1. HCF between 11 and 12 is also 1. So any number which has HCF 1 is called as coprimes. Twin primes. Twin primes are numbers or prime numbers which has a difference of 2 between them. So prime numbers with difference of 2 are called twin primes. Example, the prime number 2 and 5 and 7. If I subtract 7 minus 5, I get 2. So these are called as twin primes. So we classify the numbers into various groups. Summing up with this session, we classified numbers as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and real numbers. Odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, and co-primes and twin primes. The next session, we are going to study various methods of finding HCF, that is highest common factor. Thank you.